Hi kids, let's count farm animals.
On the farm we count and play, count the animals every day. With a moo moo here and a quack quack there, here an a, there a oink, everywhere a cluck cluck. On the farm we count and play, let's count some more today. One big cow says moo moo, two big pigs say oink oink, three cute ducks say quack quack. Here's a hen that says cluck cluck, four sheep say ba ba, five horses say neigh neigh neigh. On the farm we count and play, let's count some more today. Six soft lambs say ba ba, seven bright chickens go cluck cluck, eight playful goats say na na, nine big cows say moo moo, 10 little pigs go oink oink. On the farm we count and play,